Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites and launching the update now. Open Settings, go to Windows Update and check for updates. This queries Microsoft servers. Make sure your device is plugged into power and on a stable Wi-Fi connection. Updates can pause or corrupt on flaky networks. Once done, verify you have at least 20% free disk space and that critical files are backed up to one drive or an external drive. This reduces failure risk and speeds installation. You'll now download and apply the update packages. Click Download, then watch progress. While downloading, Windows prepares drivers and compatibility checks. That's why it may pause or say preparing to install. If the feature update stalls or shows errors, use Windows Update Assistant or the Media Creation tool to create installation media and continue safely. Make sure you save work when prompted. Installations often require multiple reboots and finalize configurations after sign-in, so expect a bit of wait time. Once installation finishes, you'll verify the system and fix any residual issues. Check Device Manager and Windows Update for driver updates and test critical apps to confirm functionality. If Windows won't boot or behaves erratically, use Safe Mode or run Startup Repair from the recovery environment. This often resolves driver conflicts. If problems persist and you updated very recently, you can roll back via Setting System Recovery within the allowed window. Keep a backup so you can restore if needed.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.